Listen to a talk between Nguyen and Nick about the countryside. Decide if each sentence is true or false. Nguyen and Nick talk about the countryside.
Hi, Nguyen. You've just come back from your grandparents' village, right? How was your trip?
Oh, it was amazing, Nick. I didn't think country life could be so interesting. Everything was peaceful and the people were so friendly.
What did you do there?
Well, I helped my grandparents harvest rice. The farmers used buffalo carts to carry the rice home, not trucks like in the city.
Wow! That sounds wonderful. I'd really like to visit the countryside during harvest time.
You should. You can see golden rice fields everywhere. Life there is slower, but I think it's very relaxing.
I agree. City life is much faster and sometimes stressful.